घरफोडीच्या केशींनी वॉन्टेड आशिल्लो मडगांव पुलिसांच्या ताब्यांतल्यान पळून गेल्लो पॉल चिमाक फातोड्ड्या पुलिसांनी अटक केला. ताचो वांगडी जाकीर अलीकय अटक केल्या. केसरवाल वेर्णा डोंगरार एका कन्स्ट्रक्शन सायटीर ताका धरलो. 4 ऑगस्टाक तो पुलीस कस्टडींत हॉस्पिसियोत एडमीट आसतना पळून गेल्लो.
On 4th August 2018, I have registered a complaint of Madgaon police station about the escape of accused Paul Chima from the lawful custody of Madgaon police, who was admitted while in custody at Special Hospital Madgaon. I have registered the complaint against for the running away from police custody and conducted the investigation. The said Paul Chima is involved in several house breaking theft cases reported in various police stations in Goa, and he is the wanted criminal, and we have also issued a show cause and lookout notice to various police stations in Goa to trace the said Paul Chima with the help of HR manager of the washing machine company in Verna Industrial Estate. Interrogated all the workers, and during interrogation we came to know that the mobile number is owned by one of the worker. Accordingly, we located that worker. After locating that worker, we interrogated him thoroughly, and during interrogation, said worker by name Ratul Mitai disclosed that the Paul Chima and his friend Zakir Hussain is residing in his rented room on the hillock at opposite Kesarwal BPCL petrol pump on the hillock, and we accordingly on the 5th floor of the last building we arrested Paul Chima and Zakir Ali. We interrogated them thoroughly. We will interrogate them thoroughly. After interrogation, also while he escaped from police custody from Hospicio, the said Paul Chima committed theft of one of the mobile of the patient who was on the next bed.